Let's have a look at grouping. Now, to make this easier, we'll just remove the years so that we can easily visualize it. Let's move this to the left. Now, in a table, you may want to group things according to some important departments that you want to have a look at. So, for example, let's say we want to have a look at just the fruits and veg department and the canned goods department as a group together. Now, these are the two most expensive departments, or however you want to group them. Let's go to group, right click and group. And when we have a group, you see that everything just comes up with different formats here. Now, when you have a pivot table, you may want to group certain fields without affecting the original data. So let's have a look. We have the departments over here, cereals, dairy, and fruit and veg, and we want to group these as our core departments. So what we can do is click onto them, press Control to select the second one and the third one. Now we're going to right click and group, and this now allows it to be grouped. As you can see, we have the highlighted data here. Now it looks very messy like this because the totals are there, so let's just clean this up and remove the subtotal. As you can see here, because we haven't named it, it calls it group 1. And what we can do is we can simply just click onto there and type here core department, so that we have everything in our control, and we can see that we have our core departments just made up right here within the data set that we want to work in.